You talk about training and teaching CEOs and executives how to think like data scientists. How do you do that? And do they need to?
Well, it's a good question. And I have found in the customers I work with who are most successful at monetizing their data and analytics are ones where the senior executives think like a data scientist. Now, what does think like a data scientist really mean? Well, if you think about how a data scientist works and how they think, they're always exploring the realm of what's possible. The best data scientists are very curious, right? They leverage curiosity to try to figure out what are the variables. In fact, think about what data science is. Data science, simply put, is about identifying those variables and metrics that might be better predictors of performance. That's what it is, right? In a nutshell. And so to do that, you want to have a very curious data science team who's willing to explore, to try different things, to fail and to learn from failure. And so what happens is what we need to do is convince the CEO and the executive ranks that the only way that they're going to differentiate themselves in the marketplace to drive new sources of value is if they embrace this mentality of curiosity, trying different things, taking small bets and learning from those bets, because it really pays back concepts that I've talked to a lot of executives about, which is about the economies of learning, that we've got to embrace at the senior level of an organization, the economies of learning, that we need to try things more quickly. We can't afford to spend 4 or 5 years trying to build out software systems and then hope at the end of those 4 or 5 years something of value squirts out, right? No, we need to take smaller iterative steps, not only to mitigate the risk, but also to accelerate the ability for the organization to learn. Because I truly believe that in knowledge-based industries, the economies of learning are more powerful than the economies of scale. And I could also argue that soon to be every industry is going to be a knowledge-based industry.
Very, very interesting point. So in this way, it's better to, let's say, to fail fast.
Right. And fail with intent. What I mean by that is not just randomly fail, but fail because you're trying to learn more about what your customers really want from the marketplace, how your products operate. Fail because you're trying to optimize and reinvent your operational processes and business processes. So failure is how you learn. You're going to try things, right? But you got to fail with intent. You're trying to do something, and don't be afraid of trying something different, because organizations don't fail because of lack of might moments, right? You need to embrace a lot of might moments, because if you don't have enough might moments, if you don't try a lot of things, you don't have enough might moments, you'll never have any breakthrough moments. So it's the organizations that are driving this breakthrough innovations are the ones who aren't afraid to try something that might work. There's no guarantees, but the might work is all built around this idea: how do I learn faster about my customers, about my products, and my operations?
Absolutely.